Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Like, what I deal with over the past week, I treat to know how the Christmas shopping, I treat to know how the Black Friday savings, I treat to know. Today I'm back with another hair video. I'm giving you guys the tea for your Black Friday shopping, okay? Today's video is focused on Arabella here. They sent me a lace wig to install for you guys today and show you the quality of the hair, because guess what, Black Friday is today. So you guys need to go ahead and buy up on a wig for no mother, on a auntie, on a sister, on a girlfriend, on a grandmother. Go and get your wig from Arabella. So of course you don't know what to say. I can't install lace wigs. I am the headband wig slayer. But when it comes down to lace, I had to get a little help. So in today's video, I'm going to be having my sister come in and install it for me. But first, let me show you guys what comes in the box. So you get this little red pouch, which I'll get into soon. You get a pair of eyelashes, and let me just show you how these look. Drama. This is how the eyelashes are. And of course, you have the wig. So let me just go ahead, take this out the bag. Here we have the wig, and it's a 14-inch 13 by 6 bob lace front wig. I'm really interested to see how this looks on my head. I've never had a bob wig before, so I'm pretty excited to have this installed. So I'm going to go ahead and get my Petite Gante to come and slay my hair. Wait, I didn't show you guys what's in the red pouch? I did not. I am so sorry. So sorry. Let me show you what's in the red pouch. So I got this little edges. You know when you tie down the edges? When you don't make them to make it nice and sleek. Yeah, that's what I got. I got this cute, this cute like clear clip. And it has some gold on the back. It's really cute. Really cute. You can just... Okay. I see you. And I got one of these section clip things. And of course, an edges brush. As well as my wig cap that I'll be using. So I'm just going to go ahead and start installing this wig. So stay tuned to see the end result. Oh, by the way, guys, this is Petite Gante, if you never know. She just came and I didn't say anything.
I'm not going to release my face, okay?
Yeah, but the hand is Petite Gante's hand. And if you don't know who that is Petite Sue Divinity / Petite Sue TV, Petite Essence on Instagram. Please pardon her nails. She's going through it.
Guys, yeah, that's all I can say. Cool is.
Actually, I have not worn straight hair since my high school graduation, which is like 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago. So right now I'm frightened. I love this hair so much. It's like so pretty. Like, come on, it looks like my natural hair. Like, so nice. So guys, don't forget to go ahead and check out Arabella Hair. Go over there when it's Black Friday and get those deals, baby. You're going to want to get this wig for your sister, your girlfriend, your mother, your grandmother, your aunt, any woman in your family, or anybody in your family when need a wig. Go over to Arabella Hair and check out their Black Friday deals today, guys. Today. So that's all for this week's video. If you are loving this hair as much as I am, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. If you're gonna grab your wig for your Black Friday deal, come on, everybody love a discount, so go over there and get your hair on their Black Friday sale. That is all for this week's video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.